I have one of the Alzheimer's genes. Let's talk about what I'm doing to increase my brain function so that I don't develop Alzheimer's. So ApoE is the gene that we're talking about. You can get this tested. There's 2 copies. So you have a 2, a 3, or a 4. I have a 3 and a 4. Now the 4 is the bad gene. So because I have one of the 4s, I have 2 to 3 times risk of having Alzheimer's than your average person that has maybe a 3-3 or a 2-3. So if you have a double 4, that means that you have 12 times risk of developing Alzheimer's. So let's talk about what that means, because our genes are not our destiny, but they do show us where we could have some challenges and where we need to improve ourselves. So the brain, when you sleep, it cleans itself. There's a lymphatic system that cleans the brain when you sleep. Now, when you have an ApoE4, that means that your brain does not clean itself as well as it should. So it can develop these tangles, which are called amyloid beta. Amyloid beta is created sometimes with trauma, and your body will clean out these tangles as it runs into tangles. There's a lot of reasons why those tangles are there, and we're going to talk about this. I'm going to do like a 3-part series on this so that you guys can get a little bit more information about what to do. So understanding what it is first. So sleeping is one of the most important things that you can do if you have an ApoE4. Sleep a lot, sleep consistently, be really religious about sleep, because that's when your brain is going to have an opportunity to clean itself. So if you know you have this, we need to also think about what kind of diet are we on. The number one thing that is driving Alzheimer's is diabetes. They're actually calling diabetes type 3 is what they're calling Alzheimer's. So if you have high blood sugar and you have an ApoE3-4 or a 4-4, this is your destiny. And you really just can't have diabetes if you have these genes. The tangles can be created by the high blood sugar. So that's one thing that we need to think about is managing our blood sugar. And we're going to go deeper dive into that. Protein, veggies, get off the sugar, slow down on the alcohol, and sleep. That's going to be part 1, understanding what it is. And then I'm going to start talking a little bit more about other therapies we can do.